The Syvekk Hair Dryer boasts a high-speed, brushless motor that operates at 180,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring rapid drying for all hair types. Incorporating advanced negative ion technology, this dryer effectively reduces frizz and enhances smoothness, leaving hair silky and manageable. It offers 4 distinct temperature settings, allowing you to customize your drying experience for optimal styling and care. The innovative design minimizes noise levels to 50 to 60 decibels, providing a quieter and more comfortable drying experience. Equipped with magnetic accessories, including a diffuser and concentrator nozzle, it caters to both curly and straight hairstyles. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal travel companion, ensuring professional hair care on the go.